This video is for users that have already set up the meter, and if you haven't done this, we have a video on that as well. But let's go ahead now and look at how to actually take a blood sugar reading measurement. And the first thing is to slide this orange button towards the white cap so the little dongle piece comes out. And this little piece is the actual meter. And you go ahead and plug it into your phone, and now it's going to connect. And in the meantime, open up the white cap, and we already have a box of strips in here, and you always want to make sure that you're using a box of strips that has been open for less than 30 days. Take out a strip, close this back up here, and now you'll see on the application that it says insert a strip, and once you do, it says place a drop of blood. Now I've already put my lancet in there. I have it set, oh boy, on 1, which is the lightest prick. Put the orange cap back on, and to load that lancet, all we do, these gray arrows slide down, you'll hear a click. Put your finger firmly over the hole on the orange cap, and then we'll press this orange button to set it off. Now it didn't prick strongly enough, so what that means is I need to turn this lancet up to 2. And here we go again. Slide it down, hear the click, and there we go. Now I place the blood, I bring it to the very edge of the strip and let it soak up the blood. And now you'll see the meter is measuring, and I got a 122. Now, to see how to enter more information into the data entry page, join us in our next video. That's all for now. See you next time.